Hello children, let us discuss about excretory system. Children, this is our excretory system. Okay, our excretory system is consist of two bean shaped kidneys. Bean, राजमा bean आप खाते हैं ना, देखो उसी शेप की है ना. Two bean shaped kidneys, two tube like structure. These tube like structure are called ureter. Okay, and this is a bladder. Okay, and this is called urinary bladder, and the opening of the urinary bladder is known as urethra. Okay, so our excretory system consists of kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Okay, now let's see how our excretory system works. Kidneys. Children, kidneys are a pair of reddish bean shaped organs. Yes, the blood collects the waste from all over the body, and then the blood go through the kidneys, and kidneys collect these waste from the blood and form urine. These kidneys are formed of small neurons, okay, which filter blood. From the kidneys, the urine goes to tube that are called ureter, and then it get stored into the urinary bladder. For a short time, it is passed out through the urinary opening at the end of muscular tube called the urethra. And this process of eliminating harmful substances from the body of living organism is called excretion. Children, let's revise the functions of different organs of excretory system. Children, these are the two bean-shaped structure, kidneys, and kidneys work as a filter and throw out the waste in the form of urine. Okay, kidney से क्या होता है, जो waste है वो यूरिन की फॉर्म में डिस्चार्ज होता है. ओके, ये क्या करती हैं, ब्लड को फिल्टर करती हैं, ब्लड में से वेस्ट को फिल्टर करके उसको यूरिन के फॉर्म में चेंज कर देती हैं. ओके children, then this waste carries out from the kidneys through ureters to urinary bladder. देखो ureters क्या करती हैं, किडनी से वेस्ट को कलेक्ट करती हैं, किस फॉर्म में, यूरिन के फॉर्म में, और कहाँ स्टोर करती हैं, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में. सो दीज आर द टू ureters. Okay, what is the function of ureters? Ureters carry urine from the kidneys to urinary bladder. Okay, now urinary bladder. Children, urinary bladder, it is a hollow muscular organ, okay, that collects urine from the kidneys and store before the discharge. ठीक है, डिस्चार्ज होने से पहले यूरिन यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए स्टोर होता है. ओके, एंड फिर वहाँ से थ्रू द यूरेथ्रा इट मूव्स आउट फ्रॉम द बॉडी. सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड द एक्सक्रिएटरी सिस्टम ऑफ आवर बॉडी. नाउ हैबिट्स ऑफ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल. ओके, look, all of us should make some good habits that are helpful in keeping our digestive and excretory system healthy. These are as follows. See, we have to follow some good habits that are helpful in keeping our digestive, हमारा जो digestive system है और excretory system है उसको healthy बनाने के लिए क्या करना है, हमें कुछ tips हैं, good habits हैं, उनको follow करना है. What are these? Let's see. Drink 6 to 8 glass of water every day. So to discharge the harmful substance from the body, we have to drink plenty water, at least 6 to 8 glass of water every day. Okay, it keeps the excretory and digestive system healthy. You know very well water is needed for the digestion also. So try to consume food in the amount that satisfy your stomach. Eating less food can cause acidity. देखो, एक्सेस फूड भी नहीं खाना है, ठीक है, मीन्स ज़्यादा फूड भी अवॉइड करना है और बिल्कुल कम फूड भी अवॉइड करना है. अगर आप एम्प्टी स्टमक हैं, आपने कुछ नहीं खाया है सुबह से, तो क्या होगा, आपके स्टमक में क्या हो जाएगी, एसिडिटी हो जाएगी. यू विल सफ़र विद द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ एसिडिटी. Children, to keep ourselves fit and healthy, we should follow these good habits. Okay, for the better understand, you should read the chapter and go through the video. Thank you.